Hi there, this is Maria with just a really quick video. So I was making hubby's card and I just wanted to show you how to make these little faux screw brads from gold card. So this was a little bit of a happy accident. I've used this die here and the little circles that come out of the die. Okay, so just going to need some tweezers. I've got some really quite cool tweezers. They've got a flat bottom and a piece of faux mat. Here we go. So let's take a couple of the circles there, little discs. And we're going to come in nice and close and have a quick look. So that is my tweezers. So all I'm doing there is I'm positioning one sort of leg of the tweezers, if you like, and just sort of pressing down. So it gives it a little indentation. One more there. Okay, so I mean they look quite good as straight screws. I'm not sure what they're actually called, straight screws. But then if we want the Phillips type screws, crosshead, which I do, then we're just going to turn those around. Okay, and then we're just going to do the same. We're just going to press and give those little pieces that sort of crosshead look. There we go, real easy to do. So I've got enough now to pop those on and complete the corners of my card. So just a little bit of glue there. So my card, by the way, you'll see is kind of a cog type image. That was an image from a magazine. My hubby likes really nice watches and so forth, so when I saw that picture I knew straight away. There you go, let's put the last of the faux screw brads on there and the project is done. I hope that you enjoy. Bye for now.